AI is revolutionizing book marketing by automating tasks, optimizing ads, and personalizing reader engagement. This guide explores practical AI tools to boost your book sales and visibility. Welcome to the future of book marketing. If you're an author looking to supercharge your marketing plan, artificial intelligence, AI, can be your best ally. In this video, we'll explore two powerful AI-driven strategies: prompt chaining and AI agents. By leveraging these tools, you can craft compelling marketing plans, generate catchy book summaries, and even design a personalized AI marketing agent to assist you every step of the way. Let's dive in. Prompt chaining is a structured method of guiding AI through a series of interconnected prompts, allowing for layered and refined outputs. By adding complexity step by step, authors can develop detailed marketing plans tailored to their books. The Google AI Essentials course recommends using Google AI Studio for prompt chaining due to its longer context window. This means AI can retain more details, leading to better, more cohesive results. How to use prompt chaining for book marketing. Here's how you can implement prompt chaining to craft an effective book marketing strategy. Start with summaries. Prompt: generate 3 options for a 1-sentence summary of this novel manuscript. The summary should be engaging and maintain the tone of the book. Refine the hook. Using the generated summaries, refine the message further. Prompt: create a tagline that combines the previous 3 options, focusing on the book's central plot twist and mystery. Develop a book tour plan. Prompt: based on the tagline and book's theme, generate a 6-week promotional plan, including key locations and platforms for marketing each stop. By following this iterative approach, authors can create highly targeted marketing strategies with minimal effort. Beyond prompt chaining, AI agents take automation to another level. AI agents function as expert assistants, helping with tasks and providing intelligent recommendations. How to create a custom AI marketing agent. The Google AI Essentials course outlines a 5-step process for creating AI agents. Let's go over the key steps. Assign a persona. Define the AI agent's expertise. For example, you can create a marketing strategist AI with deep knowledge of book launches and audience engagement. Provide context. Give the AI as much detail as possible about your book, audience, and marketing goals. Specify conversation type. Set rules for how the AI should respond. Should it generate creative ideas? Offer statistical insights? Help plan events? Use a stop phrase. Establish a phrase like end session to conclude interactions when needed. Iterate and improve. After testing the AI agent, provide feedback to refine its responses for better accuracy and usefulness. By designing an AI marketing agent, you gain a tireless assistant capable of brainstorming strategies, automating social media planning, and refining marketing messages in real time. To maximize the effectiveness of AI-driven marketing, you can apply 2 additional frameworks: Tiny Crab's framework, a 5-step process for improving AI outputs; clarify the problem, refine prompts for better results, adjust based on feedback, build a sequence of optimized prompts, share results for external validation. Rahen iteration methods, 4 approaches to refining AI responses. Repetition: run the same prompt multiple times to compare outputs. Alteration: modify the prompt slightly for new angles. Honing: fine-tune details based on prior responses. Expansion: broaden the scope for deeper insights. These strategies help ensure that AI-generated marketing plans are accurate, engaging, and audience-focused. AI tools like prompt chaining and AI agents can revolutionize book marketing, making the process more efficient and data-driven. Whether you need help crafting the perfect book blurb, planning a tour, or automating marketing strategies, AI can help every step of the way. By leveraging structured prompting, refining AI-generated content, and utilizing AI assistants, you can take your book marketing to the next level. Thank you for exploring how to use AI for book marketing success with us. Are you excited about the video? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more cool AI tool recommendations, like, share and subscribe to check out these videos next.